In this guide, I'm going to show you how to export with a smaller file size in Adobe Premiere Pro without losing any of your quality. So once you've got your project inside of Adobe here, we need to head over to Export at the top and then simply give your file a name. Come down to the Format dropdown and you need to change this from H.264 and you're going to select H.265 instead. This is going to automatically change the preset to custom. Then expand the video drop down here. Click on this Match Source button for the best video settings. Then come down slightly and select the More button. Make sure you have selected both Render at Maximum Depth and also use Maximum Render Quality. Scroll down until you come to the bitrate settings. For bitrate encoding, you need to ensure that this is set to VBR1 for the best file size. Target bitrate, we're going to reduce this all the way down to 10. And you can see as we adjust this, this also changes the estimated file size here. So you can see with the target bitrate set all the way to 40, the file size is estimated to be 450. But if I lower this all the way down to 10, you can see it takes this down nearly a fourth of its original value. Then finally, just set the quality here to its highest. And the rest of the settings you can just leave to their defaults. Click on Export. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you export with the lowest file size while keeping your video quality. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.